So many of you has requested of me to make a tutorial of how to create a YouTube thumbnail, and here is the video. So the first thing you need to do is to get any app that will remove big G, that is BG remover app. Then you use it and remove, but in this video I use InShot to remove my picture, to remove the background of my picture. You get, so get any BG remover of your choice, but I use InShot on this tutorial. All right, so after removing your background of the picture that you want to use on your thumbnail, you open your Canva. This is my Canva now. It's loading, it's about to open. All right, open your Canva. You use Canva to design many things, to design flyers, to design logos, to design thumbnails, to design any kind of thing you can think of. Canva is your best choice and is beginner friendly. All right, anybody can use it. So open your Canva, you allow it to load. Then after, when it finish loading, then you will search for YouTube thumbnail. All right, you will search for it, type it and search for it on the app. Then when it's open, you will choose. There are some templates that are already there that you can just use, and you can just use and change some things. But here I start from beginning to show you, because this is a tutorial video. You get, this is a tutorial video, so I start from the beginning. So what I do is I open the Canva, then I search for YouTube thumbnails, then I start on an empty space. You use any color of your choice, but I will recommend the colors I will recommend for you as a beginner is red, black, white, yellow, pink. But my own case, I love red, black and white colors. These three colors are very, very matured colors. They are not that shouty, So what I do here now, I use black as my background. Then I went to my gallery and I bring back that picture that I've already removed the background. You get that picture that I remove the background. This is it you are seeing. So I place it on this space, on this thumbnail. Then you type in the things you want to be on that your thumbnail, whatever it is that you want for it to appear on your thumbnail, depending on your niche. You get, depending on your niche and depending on the video you are about to upload to YouTube. You get, so here, this is just an example. So here I think of something and I just start typing it. I said stop. You get, stop is what I first use. All right, you type in your stop. Make sure when you are typing in, you use those colors that I mentioned in this video. Now I use black background and I use white and red to type in what I want. You get. So when you are doing, you use network to use Canva. You need strong network, or else it will not open, or else Canva will not open. All right, you need strong network. So this is it now. I'm typing in what I want. I'm typing it in. Then when you finish, you make sure you use big font. Choose the font you want and make it bold. Let it be bold. Or you get, what thumbnail require is the colors. Let your Canva have bright and good colors. Let your thumbnail have bright and good colors. Your thumbnail should have bold letters, that is readable letters. Let your thumbnail have readable letters, and let your thumbnails have emotions, and let your emotions like someone pointing up, someone laughing, you know, emotions, happy face, smiling face, sad face, you get, depending on the topic and depending on your niche. All right, so after putting in the emotions, make sure your thumbnail also should have signs, you get, signs. So this is it now. I'm still typing in what I want, the things I want it to appear on this tutorial. See, I made the font size, I make it big so that it will be readable, so that it will be bold. Don't go and type in something that somebody will be squeezing eyes to read what you write. No, let the letters be bold and let the colors be attractive and catchy. Make the colors to be catchy, make the colors to be attractive, you get. So I use white to type stop, then I use this one mistake, I used red, you get. Remember, this is an example, I'm using it to show you because some of you has requested for that. So this is your request, this is me fulfilling your request. All right, so watch what I'm doing now. I'm typing in the letters I want it to appear on the thumbnail with nice colors, catchy colors, attractive colors. After putting in my picture. All right, so this is it. So this is it. I'm typing in the letters that I want it to appear. When I'm done, you just have to take your time, you know. This is editing, you have to take your time, relax and watch to the end to see the outcome of this. Watch to the end to see the result of this. You will love it, you will be amazed. So this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. This is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. This is how to create YouTube thumbnails. For those of you that don't know how, this is how to make it. Everything depends on your choice. Everything depends on your choice, on what you want. So this is what I finally decide to write. Stop. This one mistake is killing your channel. Then I have to adjust this picture because it's like my face is not showing well enough. It's not showing very well. So I have to adjust. So when you are doing this, when you are creating your own thumbnails, be watching, you know, be watching to see where you can adjust, what you can do for it to be catchy and attractive, you get. Then when you finish, you put in your arrows, you put in the signs that I talk about. Remember, I talk about signs. You put in the signs that should be on it. The signs should depend on the topic you are talking about. All right, put in the signs, use nice signs on it. Here I was contemplating on the signs to use, on what kind of signs to use on this topic. When you want to put in the sign, you will go to elements and type in what you want, depending on the topic you are treating, depending on your niche. Go to elements, then search what you want, and whatever thing you search, you will see it. You know, when you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, you have to be creative. You have to be creative. After whatever thing you've created, you look at it and you ask yourself, if I see this thing in another person's channel, will it attract me? If your answer is no, then you know you have to start again. You have to make it catchy. You have to make it attractive. You know, you have to make it inviting. So here, after those two signs, I see that it did not match this particular topic that this one mistake is killing your channel. These two signs I put here did not match it. So I had to go back to elements and search for something that is related to the topic. All right, I had to, this is stop sign, you know, I had to bring it in, and I had to delete these two signs. Delete it because they didn't match, they didn't relate to this my topic. So I had to use this stop signs. Remember, this is an example. You get any video that you want to create, you first of all bring out the topic of that video. You keep the topic one side, then after making the video based on that topic, you will now go to your Canva and design your thumbnail. And well, that's it. In few minutes your thumbnail is ready. Then you just click download and it's downloading. All right, it's downloading. Then you will save to your, it will download to your gallery and you will save it. Then when you upload your video on YouTube, you just go and place it in there. You see it's downloading now. It will come to my gallery. Save to gallery. All right, so I'll still show you where it is in my gallery. Now let's go to my gallery. This is it. This is it, and our YouTube thumbnail is ready and done. Thank you for watching. Remember to don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to YouTube is by blessing.